Hello everyone, Joe from Portland Music School here. I'm back on my proper instrument. So, just a quick introduction lesson on how to use your left foot. Lovely. So, it's 3 stages. Stage number 1 is just your feet. So you're going to do bass on 1, hi-hat on 2, and then hi-hat on 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you've got that down, add your hand, your left hand, sorry, snare hand, on 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, when you're ready, bring in your right hand and just keep a solid groove all the way over the top. So just 4. So I'm going to use the cowbell because cowbell. 1, 2, 3. That last bit, if you want to get really advanced, that's 5/4. But we're not going to talk about that today. Right, if you do want to spice it up and you want to go through the beginning, what you can do, look at our last lesson on improving your bass drum experimentation, and you're going to take the bass drum and you're going to add one on the and of 1. Joe, what are you talking about? I will show you. So go back to stage 1 when it's just your feet. Bar 1 is going to be like it was before, but bar 2, you're going to have an extra bass drum on the and of 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Lovely. Now, if you can keep your left foot going through fills as well, you have something that's really, really going to improve your playing and make it a little bit more interesting. So let's have a look at that. 1, 2, 3.